Hey, if you are an aspiring C++ developer or indie game developer, this course is for you. Intermediate C++ topics can be intimidating to some students, but I use simple examples, summaries, and step-by-step illustrations throughout. Some lectures have embedded challenges to reinforce learned concepts. The course also features coding exercises that are part of the learning flow. You can complete these in your web browser. Pan and zoom animations make it easy for you to follow along. Now, to get comfortable with C++, you need to go beyond isolated examples. When you transition from simple standard C++ examples to complex frameworks such as Unreal Engine, it can feel kind of overwhelming. It is easy to get discouraged. This course features Unreal Engine lessons to help in this regard. In the Unreal Engine modules, I introduce the Unreal Engine framework in simple step-by-step lectures with some exercises that will help boost your C++ problem-solving skills. Unreal Engine projects are carefully selected to introduce as many concepts as possible while still keeping the lectures and examples concise. What you learn from these projects can be applied to most of your future prototypes. Some examples include using actors and components, that is how we can spawn things into our game worlds, logging debug information, player input, how to use a game manager to handle scoring, using text widgets to display the score or whatever information you need to display to the player, spawning basic particle effects, problem solving, and much more. The curriculum is broken down into modules and lessons. These offer a sense of focus and progression. I have spent a significant amount of time thinking about what to introduce, where, and how I can simplify examples and summaries. Based on the reviews, this has paid off, with some students stating that the course worked for them when others did not, that they appreciate the detail that went into the slides and illustrations, and that they appreciate how the curriculum is laid out. That is what sets this course apart from the rest. Also, this course is not meant as a quick start guide to C++, and it may take quite some time to get comfortable with the language. The goal is to help you along the journey to eventually become confident and competent with the C++ programming language. So I hope you are excited about learning C++ and that you are ready to jump in and take this course.